I couldn't forgive myself because I know how long it took me. I did a lot of personal development, and this is even a personal thing. And that's why sometimes I wonder if people don't really see it like that, if they don't understand it. That there's you before there's a brand, you know? And I did lots of personal development. I was so sure of who I was as a person. And then I came out of big house. People are calling you names.
Hello my wonderful people, welcome again here to this channel. It's me, Clara Edith. Please subscribe, it's been a while. So guys, today I will be talking about Beauty and some other Titans housemates, so stay tuned. So before then, I think I would like to start with this write-up this person penciled down. Like, can you imagine? Let's just read this together. This is from Unbothered Baby Girl. Hey, so she says, who else feels this cry is fake, not even emotional one a bit? Even when she was talking to her friend, she still did drink and smoking. Waiting Musa no go see forget. If not that one, Musa don't see plenty things forget. We be say her eyes and mouth no fit talk. Fast forward, she says, I talk in my previous post that the title of the show supposed to be what anger left Shukura into. Not beautiful life, because nothing is beautiful, I beg. So those of you where they watch this, the Maria one was so educative compared to this where she say na only short and fake life. Oh, she arata Marayo. Long sha. So my wonderful people, this person will just get joy at all. On board Baby Girl for life. See, let me tell you this, even the Bible talk and say there is time for everything. Oh, I hope Beauty's fans will understand this about other housemates like Fina, Groovy, Checks and Bella, that they are all humans too and have feelings. All those tears is not necessary though. Just do the right thing, or talk to your fans to stop attacking other housemates. Personal development without putting your fans in order is harding up. You enjoy them trolling other housemates, but here you are crying. I'm not saying Beauty sent those people to be attacking other housemates, but she has right to address her fans. Yes, just take a look at the BB Titans that just finished. All of them, they've went back together, they've reconciled their differences, apart from Blue that is not in the picture, which I know that Blue has Niger blood. How wish BB Niger housemates can have forgiving heart and establish cordial relationship, then come up with a program that people would like to watch. Honestly, instead of going around having grudges on this and no, now can you just spot Titans that just finished? Look at all of them together. Now wow. Like I said, Beauty is not the problem. The problem is not you, Baby Girl. Your fans are the problem. They have decided not to let other housemates rest. That's why you are still getting all those negative energy. I think Fina and Beauty should settle their beef. Fina too has also learned a lesson. I believe if they settle, the two fan base comparison and war will reduce. Honestly speaking, I don't know if I'm making point to It's okay to be vulnerable. I like how she owns up to her mistakes. She has grown, she has evolved, she is doing amazingly well. Last week, Beauty hosted almost all the BB Niger housemates. It was pool party. Like, you guys need to see the event. Like, Beauty is doing well for herself. So I like her own way of life. But the problem is the fans. I don't know who the fans are. Please, you guys should allow these people to have peace of mind. They are human beings like you. They have flesh and blood. So guys, I don't know if I'm making sense. So we have another story on ground. This one has to do with love one chin chin. JayVonne shippers Gifts, Juicy J and JayVonne Gifts in South Africa and Lagos respectively, as they also place a call through for the both of them to speak to each other. Hey, I never see this kind of ship in Big Brother history. Oh, they are so cute together. Premium ship with premium shippers.
You guys, we love you. Hey, boy.
Even if they won't end up together, I'm not God though, I'm just saying it. They both played the shipping game so well. I'm saying that based on distance, that guys, based on what Yvonne also said, that she likes this nigger, but the only problem is the distance. I'm quoting her now. So I like the beautiful things I'm seeing around them. Hey, see me blushing. Hey God do.
Hey, Von.
That's your birthday day.
Come on!
You get designers for nothing. Wow.
Let's just start here. Let's give it a
What? This is so fine. Thank you.
Okay. I see you.
Ask you why you didn't tell me this was going on. I love you too.